Dinesh Bhardwaj is asking that we had some default or similar incidents in the debt fund category in the recent past. We are generally advised to invest in short-term debt funds or ultra short-term or liquid or overnight funds. During the last few days, we had an unusual fall in NAV of many short-term debt funds. Is it safe to continue or invest in these funds? Uh, I haven't seen a very significant fall in NAVs, but the range of fall, which is anywhere between 25 basis point to 50 basis point, I would not say it is unusual. But yes, if you are into relatively safer funds, despite all a little bit of ups and downs, I haven't seen a significant fall in any too many funds. But short-term debt funds, if you get into the safer segment, right now the market is extremely risk averse, and many bonds are extremely vulnerable. The credit outlook remains very difficult. So I would say that this is not the time to get venturesome with your debt investments. And anyway, I have been of the view for a long time, forever maybe, that you don't invest in debt funds to maximize return. For maximizing return, invest in equity. When investing in debt fund, uh, be extra cautious. Be in a fund which will earn you 0.5% lower return or a 1% lower return than the average, but the likelihood of a painful default or a big accident should be ruled out. So from that standpoint, I would say that get into the conservative short-term debt funds, and I don't think you will have these situations there. There are short-term debt funds which are into relatively low, a small component of late, because after the big Franklin accidents, many funds have also become very risk averse. So they are trying to scale down there, and they have also witnessed large redemptions. So any fund which has any meaningful allocation to relatively lower rated debt instruments, they have faced massive redemptions, and everybody has prepared with great liquidity in their portfolio. So I don't think there is as much of a risk today as it was then when the crisis happened. So I would say that be into relatively safer short-term debt funds with absolutely low allocation to lower rated debt funds.